All right. I've talked before about how the vocabulary that you use, can make you sound smarter. This is one of those times that what it's called makes you sound really smart. So today we're going to be writing expressions. That sounds really fancy and it sounds kind of tricky, but it's really not. Writing expressions simply means that you're writing a number sentence. You've been doing number sentences since you were teeny tiny. Number sentence, guess what? That's an expression right here. Let me give you an example. If we want to turn 3 more than 1 into an expression, we're like, 3 more than 1. Well, 3 more than 1. So the expression for this is 3 plus 1. And what does 3 plus 1 equal? 4. I'm not sure where that came from. Writing expressions simply means that you're taking the words and putting them in a number sentence form. So really, we've been doing that for weeks and weeks. It just sounds so much smarter when we say, oh, today, what were we doing in math? We were writing expressions. So if I asked you to do 8 more than 2, see, 8 more than, if we're doing more, what operation? More than 2? And what is 8 more than 2? That'd be 10. How about this one? If we do 3 less than 4. Now, I can guarantee you, somebody out there is going to want to go 3 less than means subtract. Less than 4, that's not correct. Okay? Don't just take the first number and put it first. We're going to go 3 that's less than 4. So we're starting with 4, and we want to have how many less? 3. So 3 less than 4 would be 1. Or we could do, let's do another subtraction one, because I think sometimes they can be slightly harder than the others. We could do, let's see, 6 fewer than 12. Let's do 6 fewer than 12. Fewer than means that. So we need 6 fewer than 12. Bigger. 6 fewer than 12. That would work. We could also do this with other operations that we know. What are some other operations that we know? We know addition, we know subtraction. We also know division. If we were going to do division, we could do equal groups, right? We could say maybe 6 broken into 2 equal groups. And that would be 6 broken into 2. Or 3 friends shared equally, sharing equally, we've talked about those being division words, that might be off your screen, shared equally 6 cookies. Well, the 6 cookies were shared equally by those 3 friends. We're turning our words into the number sentences. That's called writing expressions. Now, your magic math word flip is really going to help you know which operation to turn the words into. So that might be something that you need to have near you when we're practicing writing our expressions.